shot, give me some. Just put your feelings up. Get it done.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk Real Estate with Tuwana. We have some exciting news for all of you. This Saturday, November 4th, we're hosting two fantastic open houses from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and you're invited. Join us at 309 Belton Avenue and 69 Ashton Bluff Circle, both located in the beautiful Mount Holly, North Carolina, 28120. These homes are absolutely stunning, and we can't wait for you to see them in person. But wait, there's more. When you attend the open houses and provide us with your valuable feedback on the price, condition, and how best to sell these homes, you'll automatically be entered into a special drawing. That's right, your feedback could win you an amazing prize. So make sure to share your thoughts with us during the open houses. We highly value your opinion, and we can't wait to hear what you think. But that's not all. We believe in giving back to the community, which is why we are encouraging all attendees to bring extra non-perishable items with them. These items will be collected, and the proceeds will go directly to the Second Harvest Food Bank of Metro Lina. Your generosity can make a significant difference in the lives of those in need, especially during this time of year. Let's come together and make a positive impact on our community. Thank you all for tuning in. We're looking forward to seeing you this Saturday, November 4th, from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at 309 Belton Avenue and 69 Ashton Bluff Circle, Mount Holly, North Carolina, 28120. Don't miss this opportunity to find your dream home. Share your insights and contribute to a great cause. See you there.
Say what I mean, I do top five. Not five, not for nothing, I do. Not for nothing, I do.